day 3. This tornado hit, what, Friday night? Sorry.
Set up here at Agate. Yeah, that's correct. That's right. Yes. Right.
Look at that, bro, right there. So much for sitting in your truck and being safe.
No kidding.
Trucks in the road up front.
Okay, so some of the things that we think about going in are how are the people feeling that have made it through this. So if it's pulling up trees like that. So I'll be looking for opportunities to comfort these people and to be able to be there in a way that they can receive, right? So a lot of times they don't want anything but a listening ear and a prayer, but they do want to be heard. So we have these houses that have been destroyed, like this one here, and then something that just skipped right over like that one there. Tornadoes are weird stuff.